anything that could save me a lot of time, a lot of stress and a lot of head scratching, I would definitely recommend. And it's not just for that, it is a really useful and easy system to work with. Hello, I'm Connor Gaze. I'm the Merch Admin Assistant here at Weirdfish. Today we've been doing the DDBrix workshop. It's been a very hands-on, interactive experience, understanding obviously the ways and workings of DDMRP, but it's broken down into a modular, interesting, playful environment for the whole team, and I've thoroughly enjoyed it. My main takeaway, it's the engagement across the team actually. It's the fact that when we did it, we had colleagues from different areas, from our stores here at head office, and it's all together, everyone in the room, understanding the ways and workings of each step in each process. Because it's at the basic level, obviously using Lego, everyone's on the same platform, everyone is playing with the same thing, learning the same information, and obviously with amongst the teams, amongst ourselves, it's all engaging, it's very interactive. Before, my role was very manual, so it was very much Excel, data reporting and having to collect that data. With DDMRP, it actually collates that. It's all in the background, it's all done with the formatting, the formulas, the forecast. It's built into the background of the system, which takes it away from myself, so it's using the logics and the algorithms, and it's suggesting in moments what I would physically and manually have to collate in several hours. Yeah, I'll definitely recommend it. Anything that could save me a lot of time, a lot of stress and a lot of head scratching, I would definitely recommend. And it's not just for that, it is a really useful and easy system to work with. And just for myself and then with training others, I've found it easy to do so. And I would really encourage and push B2Is into DDMRP.